Hello and welcome back. We are now going to get ready to begin to use the equipment. Before we use the equipment, please make sure that your USB cable is plugged into the back of your design center and your printer, and that it won't work without it. The first thing we're going to do is a scan to print poster. Many of you have had poster printers over the years and may remember the first generation where you walked up, put a piece of paper down, hit a button, and got a monochromatic poster. Black on white, red on white, and so on. What's wonderful about our system is we developed it with the same capability, but to function in that capacity using a full color original. So now you can put a full color original on your scanner that comes with your design center, and you're going to launch your scan to print poster software. And what this is going to do is open up a very user-friendly screen that will allow you to make the selections necessary to print the poster on the type of the media that you're working with, and then determine what type of paper you're working with and the quantity of prints that you would like. So in starting out, I'm going to my media type. As I mentioned earlier, we have up to 23 different medias, which allows for a wide range of educational applications. In this instance, we're working with the glossy photographic paper, so I'm going to choose that. The second item will allow me to change the copies. I can now do 1 to 99, which is nice if you have to make multiple posters for an event. So with regards to user-friendliness, there's not another system in the marketplace that will allow you to walk up with a piece of paper, click 2 buttons, and end up with a 2-foot by 3-foot poster. So this is nice because if you have teachers that aren't extremely tech-savvy or are not comfortable working with this type of technology, they can simply design their own material and on their computer and walk up to the machine, put it face down, and hit print. Another nice thing is you can do this with virtually any original. So in this case, I'm using a 8.5 by 11 original that was designed in your popular desktop publishing program. It could be Adobe, Microsoft Word, Corel, any of the Microsoft Office suite. But you can also do this with photographs. So we have a range of fundraising programs that schools utilize to do photographic pictures from sporting events, from dances, from special school events. We have a program where they can do banners and build photographs into that for graduation. And all of this material is located on our website, in addition to our bookstore business program and our fundraising program for parent-teacher associations. Many times, parent-teacher associations will invest in this equipment and buy it for the school and donate it and make thousands of dollars a year with it. What we're doing now is getting ready to make our print, and we're cropping the edges. You'll notice that there's little ants that come around the page. That's your crop mark, and you can go up with the crossbow arrow and move it around on a hole, or you can float your mouse over the perforated line and drag down just the edge. It'll turn into an arrow, an up and down arrow, or a left and right arrow like this. So now that I have everything cropped and I'm right to my edges, because I don't want a lot of white around the poster or dirty edge lines, I want a nice, clean, professional print. All I have to do is click on the copy button. And then what this will do is send the image, or the poster, excuse me, to the poster printer. Now what's exciting about our system and the way that it's set up is once it's done sending the print to the machine, it's actually going to ask you if you want to start your next poster. In the olden days, when we had several prints that we had to make, we would get a bottleneck at the machine of people waiting because they would have to wait for that poster to be done before they could start the next one. Now what we're able to do is as soon as this hits 100%, a message will come on the screen that says, click cancel to cancel print job, or click close to start next print job. What that means is the screen will close and it will automatically make it so you're ready to start your next print job.